साथियों नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हमारे इंडिया में जितने भी स्कॉलर्स हैं, सभी बहुत ही कठिन समस्याओं का सामना कर रहे हैं और समहाउ वो अपनी रिसर्च कर रहे हैं। तो आज आप देखिए दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजी यूनिवर्सिटी के शोध छात्र किस तरीके से अपनी डिमांड्स को लेकर पूरे दिन प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और वहाँ के जो वाइस चांसलर हैं उससे मिलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मगर वो नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं। और ये पूरे दिन प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और अपनी डिमांड रख रहे हैं। इससे पहले वो वीसी को और वहाँ के जो डीन हैं उनको कई बार नोटिस और लेटर भी दिया है। उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जो स्कॉलर्स को फेलोशिप मिलनी चाहिए वो 3 साल की जगह 5 साल, 5.5 साल का जो टेन्योर है उसके अकॉर्डिंग मिलनी चाहिए। क्योंकि वो क्या कर रहे हैं कि 3 साल तक फेलोशिप इम्प्लीमेंट करने की बात कर रहे हैं, जबकि फेलोशिप जब तक स्टूडेंट पीएचडी करता है तब तक उसे मिलनी चाहिए, ऐसा प्रावधान है। मगर ये सरकार हो और चाहे यूनिवर्सिटी के जो वाइस चांसलर हो, वो अपनी मनमर्जी के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ के शोध छात्रों को चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो। जहाँ उनका फोकस रिसर्च पर होना चाहिए, वहाँ ये है कि कैसे स्कॉलर्स को मैनेज किया जाए, कैसे स्कॉलर्स को डिफेम किया जाए और उनकी जो फेलोशिप है उसको रोक कर मिनिमम पीरियड के लिए रखा जाए। तो इन बहुत सारी मांगों को लेकर वहाँ के जो दिल्ली टेक्नोलॉजी यूनिवर्सिटी के शोध छात्र हैं वो बराबर प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं और अपनी मांग को रखें। आइए उनकी बात सुनते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच।
We have gathered here to put our grievances to the administration, which has been neglected by them since many years and months. So the first thing is that they are clearly not following the vision and mission of this institute and university on which the foundation stone was laid, which the vision states to be a world-class university through education, innovation and research for the service of humanity. But in this meeting agenda, they have clearly tried to kill the research, and this is the point. They are telling us that we are not serious on our first and second year. But what about these 199 students who are getting the Research Excellence Award? Out of 400, 199 students are getting the Research Excellence Award in 2022. So what about them? And let me clarify, we don't take stipend for the research papers. We take stipend because we work, we take the load, we work for the institute, we work for the university. For that they are paying us the stipend, and I have this proof which is mentioned by the MHRD. This is the proof that they clearly states that we का बहाना नहीं चलेगा. इतने बड़े बड़े प्रोफेसर्स, how can they say COVID is a bahana when the country was in havoc situation for 2 years? Everything was closed. Sometimes there were things like things were getting delayed because of the lockdown. So how can they blame us that the university was closed? And these are the proofs that they don't give us the access to the journal, the reputed journal in which we have to get the publication for getting us self-awarded for the PhD degree. So why they are not giving us the access of these journals? Why these journals? In their board of members meeting, it is clearly shown that their expenditure is lesser than their income. Their income is 19 crores more than their expenses. They also have a grant in which they have not spent 28 crores of their grant. And why if they are not lacking funds, then why they are not giving us the stipend on time? Why they are reducing the years of stipend? I have this proof which is mentioned by the MHRD. This is the proof that they clearly states that we are taking the stipend because we get teaching assistantship. This is not because we have to publish papers. Our next point is when MTech is concerned, they are referring to the IIT and NITs. They are clearly referring to the IITs and NITs. Then why not for the research? In this meeting only, they have referred for MTech students. They have referred to IITs and NITs. Then why not for the PhD ordinance? Because IITs and NITs are getting revised fellowship, which is revised by the ministry. So this is, and I am showing you the proof as well. This is the stipend which the IIT Delhi is getting. This is the proof that IIT Delhi is getting this much revised amount of fellowship.